What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Amazon to Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. So if you want to dropship products from Amazon to Shopify, this video is for you. Or if you just want to import products from Amazon to Shopify, this video is for you. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Now after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, okay, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, you want to download an app that will help you import products from Amazon to Shopify. It's called Amazon, okay? Just search for Amazon Dropshipper, okay? Amazon, search for Amazon Dropshipper. That's the name of the app, okay? This is the app. It has like a lot of good reviews. That's why I chose this app for today's video. And then you want to click on install, okay? So after, guys, you click on install, you want to click again on install in the top. All right, just wait a few seconds, and that's it. Now after, guys, you click on install, you want to go to Amazon, okay? You want to go to Amazon. I'm going to go to Amazon right now. Okay, so go to Amazon and find any product, okay? I'm going to go to amazon.com. all right, now I'm sorry. All right, now after you are on the homepage of Amazon, as you can see, choose a product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. It could be any product you want. For example, just headsets like this, or headphones, whatever. And then what you need to do, guys, after you find the product that you want to dropship or you want to import to your own Shopify store, in the top you want to copy the URL. As you can see, this is the URL you need to copy, okay? Click on it 2 times so that all the text will be selected, and then right click and then click on copy. Now after that, you want to go back to Amazon Dropshipper app and then paste this link here where it says the link. As you can see here, paste it, Ctrl V, or right click and then paste it, okay, like this, and then click on get products. Now after, guys, you click on get product, this is the product that you will import to your own Shopify store. Of course, you can make some changes to the product description, to the product title, before you can push it or publish it on your own Shopify store. Now, for example, you can change the title or make it a little bit smaller, which I always recommend to make your titles, your Shopify product titles, very small, because they are more attractive and the store is going to look more professional. So after that, you want to select the collection. I'm just going to leave it like this. You can always make some changes to description and products that like variants. You can also like you can also change images. If you want to unselect some images, you don't like them, you can do that. Product detail, as you can see, details, as you can see here. Now after that, what you guys need to do, you want to click on add to my store. Now this product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Just give it a few seconds. As you can see, it says here, please wait, adding product. Now just wait a few seconds and this exact product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to click on products to see if the product is already imported to my Shopify store or not, but it seems like it's going to take a little bit. I would say like 20 seconds maximum, okay? Now just give it a few seconds. Now if you are wondering what you are going to do after you receive an order or after you receive a sale on Shopify, what you guys need to do is you want to go to Amazon and purchase the item. Instead of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer. Now that's how dropshipping works. And if you are wondering if the Amazon logo is going to be in the package of the Amazon products that you are going to purchase for your customers on Shopify, yes, the logo is going to stay there. There is no way to like contact the customer, or to contact the supplier on Amazon to tell them, hi, please don't include the original price in the package and don't include the logo. There is no way. But good news is most people, they don't care. I have been dropshipping for a very long time and only 1% really care about the logo and where the item is coming from. So if it happened, I just issue a refund. I just tell them, hi, I'm going to refund you your money. So 99% of the time it's not going to happen, so you don't really need to worry about this. It shouldn't be your in your worries. Okay, so what you guys need to do, like I said, after you receive a sale, the product has been imported successfully to our Shopify store. As you can see, this is the product. Now if someone buys this product, then you need to take the information, address, name, phone number, and go to Amazon and purchase this item. Instead, like I said, of putting your own information so that you can receive the item to your house, you put there the address of the customer, okay, so that you can receive the product. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.